We are bringing back the 90s hardcore today with this hairstyle. If you were around in the 90s, you're gonna recognize this one for sure. This is a style I did a lot when I was probably like 11, 12, 13 years old. And it works really great for thin hair. Actually, honestly, I think it's easier if you don't have a lot of hair to work with. If you have a ton of hair, you're kind of left trying to figure out what to do with it all. So this is perfect if you don't have tons of hair like I do. We're gonna start with the zigzag part because it is the 90s and the zigzag part was all the rage in the 90s, especially for a hairstyle like this. So we're gonna start by holding our comb right against our scalp, and we're just gonna drag it, keeping it right against the head, not lifting it up into the hair, right against the head. We wanna feel that tail comb against our scalp, back and forth across our part, not lifting that tail off our scalp, and then we'll just pull the hair both ways. Now we have got bobby pins, and as always, I suggest using bobby pins that match your hair because that is going to make your life a whole lot easier. You're gonna have to worry a lot less about hiding bobby pins if you use ones that match your hair color, as opposed to ones that are high contrast. Like if I was trying to use dark bobby pins in my hair, they just stand out so much and I'd be having to constantly try to hide them. So using blonde bobby pins in my hair makes so much sense. I do have blonde ones in my Amazon storefront, but most brands do make them in multiple colors. A lot of people just don't realize that because brown seems to be standard. So with this style, we are gonna leave a couple pieces out at the front. Yeah, that looks about right. And then we're just going to start taking sections of hair. So I'm just gonna take a little section of hair right here. I'm gonna comb it with my fingers, and then I'm just gonna twist the hair, twisting, and then twist it on itself to make a little bun. I'm gonna leave the ends out. I'm not gonna like tuck those in. I'm gonna let them stick out, and I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. I'm gonna do that again over here. I'm just gonna keep doing this, creating little twisty buns. So here we go, all finished. In the 90s, we probably would have put the buns more right up on top of our head, but I don't actually want to look like a 12-year-old. I kind of wanted to modernize the style a little bit. I also probably would have added a couple of butterfly clips here and possibly even at each little bun, and then a bunch of glitter gel and some blue frosty lip gloss. But we're not going to do that because we're modernizing it. We're bringing this 90s style into 2024. But here's what it looks like. I think it's super cute and fun way to put your hair up for summer. If you don't have a ton of hair, then you can probably get away with one, maybe two bobby pins per bun. I really stuck one, I think, in every bun except this one. I put two in just because the ends were popping out. I just didn't want to redo it, but you shouldn't need too many. They don't need to be super tight. It looks really cute. A fun 90s inspired way to put up your hair. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy learning how to style your thin, fine hair so that you can love your hair as much as I love my hair. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos every week. Like and subscribe, and please leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you guys. Have any questions or if there are any videos that you would like to see in the future. Bye, guys.